سلام 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 سلام.
What does the most known scientist of all times say about the existence of God? A little knowledge of science makes you an atheist. In-depth knowledge of science makes you believe in God. It's adopted from a popular saying of a famous German physicist and a philosopher, Heisenberg. Werner Heisenberg was a German physicist and a philosopher who discovered a way to formulate quantum mechanics in terms of matrices. He quotes that the first gulp from the glass of natural sciences will turn you into an atheist, but the bottom of the glass, God is waiting for you. Albert Einstein, a German-born theological physicist who developed the theory of relativity, one of the two pillars of modern physics, said, "Science without religion is lame. Religion without science is blind." He also said, "The more I study science, the more I believe in God." Louis Pasteur, a famous French biologist, microbiologist, and chemist, renowned for his discoveries of the principles of vaccination, microbial fermentation, and pasteurization, once said, "Little science take you away from God, but more of it takes you to Him." He continued, "The more I study science, the more I stand amazed at the work of the Creator. Into His tiniest creatures, God has placed extraordinary properties." William Daniel Phillips. William Phillips is an American physicist who received the 1997 Nobel Prize in Physics for development of methods to cool and trap atoms with laser light. He said, "I believe in God more because of science than in..." Charles Head Towns, an American physicist who shared the 1964 Nobel Prize in Physics, founder of laser science, who worked on the theory and application of maser, for which he obtained the fundamental patent, and other work in quantum electronics associated with both maser and laser devices. He said, "I strongly believe in the existence of God based on the intuition, reason, logic, and also scientific knowledge." Please continue the video series so that you will find better answers to your questions on the existence of God. Watch Does God Exist in the Light of Science Part 1 to get to know in a nutshell what does science say about God, and does science prove whether God exists or not, and why you must consider believing in God. Watch the other video, Does God Exist in the Light of Science Part 2 to know why you must consider believing in God, where we will conclude with a logical demonstration and a conclusion of what happens if you believe in God and what if you don't. Thanks for watching our video. Please continue the playlist to gain better understanding on the subject. Please get the valuable resources in the description and to know more. You may check out our video on logically analyzing God's existence and characteristics, where you will find interesting contents on if God exists, what does He look like? Can a God be a just and all-powerful and a perfect being at the same time? What if this life has no reason and we have no purpose? Can a God be a just God if He created this life and put us in this chaos and problems? How can a God be unfair to His creation? Why do we have so many religions? Can there be more than one God? Can God have a creator? Or who created God? And more. Don't miss another video on how Quran overpowers science. To know the scientific facts mentioned in the Quran thousands of years ago and how science proved these facts to be true yesterday. And some surprising facts about Quran and more. This will shape your understanding about the origin of life and everything that exists. Do check out all of this without fail. Hope it benefits you and gets you peace. May peace be on you. Assalamu alaikum.
We made peace a symbol of ours. In the name of peace we gather here now. Oh Lord, please make these days of ours on this earth filled with peace. Salamun, 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 salam. Salamun, 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 salam. Salamun, 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 salam. Salamun, 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 salam.